Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
UMLA ke BJP na penthor umkra constituency ba Alexander Elhek ula pentip baki bor bahalor jong ka parti na Delhi kila Tyrwa ban bay pisa na ka Swadesh Darshan Skhim nak benta ban kentiu yang cikale niam jong ka senrat ke senghasi ki Ïingmane jong ka balang Presbyterian bat ki Ïingmane jong ka balang Katolik ki badan hakani ka jala Meghalaya. Haga jingkran meglap thai kubor haga khatnri tarik uyayong arja apinrio ubahek ulaong bawla Tyrwa yak Ïingmane Presbyterian Nongsawlia sora yaga jakale niam jong senrat harilum jantia bat ka senghasi kemi harilum khasi bat ban Tyrwaru yaki bor penia jong balang Katolik ban priang yakani ka Skhim nak benta ban le yaki kampen roy haginu inu jaga ki ba ibit khnang ban khring ru yaki no jogok kai perthei napok kari ban nabari ru kumju.
So I had a discussion with some central leader of the BJP. He have told me there is some scheme, which is they can develop the religious site, like the Swadesh Darshan. Today this is known as the Prasad scheme. So I have discussed with my party Karyakata and our state leader, like the president in the morning, and also with all the BJP leaders in the Meghalaya. We said that we want to develop the Senghasi Sengkemi, one of the religious site, which is very, very need of the hour to develop that site, and also the club at Jaintia Hills. It is for the benefits of that Niam tree for Jaintia Hills, for benefits of the Jaintia people of the Jaintia district. And also, I have also proposed this to my central leader regarding the first Christian church in Meghalaya, maybe in the Northeast, is the Presbyterian church at Nongsawlia, Sora. So we want also to do the beautifications and development of that kind of, from that Swadesh Darshan scheme or the Prasad scheme. And also the Catholic church, they have so many places. So whatever it is the best for the the church, where which one we want to develop for the pilgrimage, and also for the religious site. It will not only for religious site, it will be attract the tourists coming from all over the country and also from the outside the country. And also, I have already discussed with the headman of Mausanram area. He's a assistant headman. Also, I told him also if we can develop the Mao Jumbain, the popularly known as the Shivling Cave at Mausanram. That also is, I told them that he said that he have to sit with all the headman committee, the executive committee of the Darshan, before we take it of the scheme. But I told him very clearly to him that is not BJP scheme, that is not the government scheme, purely belong to the Shnong scheme only.
Your end or
No,
the center?
no. Only
central
yesterday we have
government's
discussed with the central leader. He told me to give some suggestion on these few important places on the religious side, to develop religious side, both for the Darshan, Swadesh Darshan, and also for the development of the pilgrimage site. No, we have not sent any proposal, but this is only discussion we had yesterday to send this proposal to the government of India. So we have to no. Last time when I went for the Viking dance at Shad Viking there, we have discussed about this. They want also to develop that ground. So that ground, I know what kind of development they want, but that's why I have brought it to this topic, topic today, that at least they'll come to their knowledge also. If they are also interested, we can sit down, send a proposal, a properly official proposal to the government of India for this development of the sites. That I cannot say you anything right now. Now it is just discussing only to send the suggestion for this kind of scheme for the development of this state of Meghalaya. So the thing is, this is not directly from the party. We'll ask their proposal. We will send this proposal, their proposal, to the government of India. We will help them to assist them to send this proposal to the government of India. But they told me to give the suggestion. So now we will just first send the suggestion to the government of the central government, and we'll ask them he has to go through the state government or directly it can be sanctioned from the central government.